we will present on the BIKKEL application.
Everybody, let's see the motivation of project.
Come on! The BIKKEL Motivation is a Thai traditional game that is unknown among the new generation people. We want to develop mobile division game. It's called BIKKEL. The BIKKEL application is an alternative in the virtual game that can be played in both smartphone and tablets, and the game can be played by all ages.
Project objective to develop the Thai national game on Android and iOS platform, to use modern technology to conserve Thai national game, to increase family relationship by providing mobile game that can be played all age of family members.
Benefit: the application can increase the well-known of BIKKEL among new generation people. The project can help to conserve BIKKEL as Thai traditional game. It can use application offer a novel and visualization, and the project provide the useful and enjoyable game that cause witty meditation on the problem.
Scope of project: the BIKKEL development is used the Everon mobile interaction such as the motion sensor, touchscreen, slide screen. The BIKKEL is developed in 5 levels of playing. First level is very easy and 5 level is very difficult. The BIKKEL can record the highest play score for each level. The BIKKEL provides the information about how to play for players.
At the first project plan, we define the project topic, then we learn to information and technology related projects, and now we have some
Project methodology, system architecture. The application architecture of all users get the game play result, then collection-based score are defined on smartphone. By that will be shown on best score for user that will be co-developed with API and server.
And like this, the figure is a procedure of application.
This is GUI design.
And this GUI on game.
Project result, development results, hardware result, laptop Intel Core i5, Windows 7, device on Android and iOS, software result, Coco 2DX, Visual Studio, Illustrator, Photoshop.
Then deployment result in hardware is smartphone and tablets. Software are Android and iOS.
Software testing.
The test case: select level before play the game. The test procedure: step 1. Click in collect level and click other level is not next step is not success. Step 2. Select in the collect level is such as select level 1. The game responds to indicate success. Then can play the game.
Test case. User want to stop the immediately game by select pause button. Step 1. Click in and encourage home after pause game. The game responds to indicate failure. Go to next step for play again is not success. Step 2. Kick in and collect. Resume after pause game. The game response to indicate success. Them can play the game again.
The output test case. User want to play next level while user win. Step 1. Click home button. The user go out of game and user must be play cricket come in the game. Step 2. Click resume button. The game level up and them can play the game on greater than level. And like this, but this test case is the end of game while user lose. And the process of game. In this, user can be play follow how to play the game correctly. Process data is a check device, touch screen, and slide screen.
Integration testing. Integration testing is a test case from unit test inside subsystem of program which has each of module from BIKKEL project.
System test. The first function test. Testing process of program has accuracy according to the step of play and condition. Second one, test quality. The investigate module missing from program.
System test, acceptance test. Customer can investigate each a module by tier game from visual device and defect review of the game to updates. Installation test. Tier installation the program, the true system are Android and iOS and investigates accuracy of the system according to the requirement of customer.
The software maintenance have a problem is as follow as.
Problem 1. Stone from too fast.
Second problem, stone size of each device is not balanced.
Problem 3. Bug.
The fourth problem, unstable game and often bounce. How to do SQA. The BIKKEL game coding and technically test using the native code platform, Coco to the X frameworks, utilizing motion sensor. The game supports several of smartphone and tablet screens.
How to evaluate it and how to know that your software is a good quality.
Quality requirement definition. The first evaluation by purpose of the game, and add the game detail and verify the game requirements.
Client developer communication failure. The user demand and the development is inconsistency. Client developer to talk about negotiation to develop software to carry.
Deliberate deviation. Evaluate of the feasibility by the way the software will actually occur. And the game develop follow application framework with software requirement.
Logical design error. The game is check link relation along GUI design. Logical design use simple language and the minimal complexity.
Coding error. The program will show error, and coding must be mobile test.
Non-compliant with documentation and coding instruction. The coding instruction is declared respectively. The program, if compliant with documentation, then not, the project will not succeed.
In shortcoming of the testing process, evaluation from user or its the graphical design must be attractive and interesting for user.
User interface and procedure error feedback evaluate from commenting. The graphical user interface must be user interaction, easy to use, and easy to understanding for user.
Documentation error. Documentation were examined by experts, and the data relevant from copyright sources.
Yay! Today, thank you for everyone to attention. Goodbye, see ya!